This video will be discussing how a common law application will be rejected. A common law application is all about demonstrating that you are in a common law relationship. So before you can even submit such an application, you need to understand the definition. In order to qualify for common law, you have to demonstrate to the officer that you've resided with your partner for 12 months or more. And yes, there can be some gaps, but the gaps have to be short and they have to be for a reason. So for example, if your partner goes on vacation with her girlfriends, comes back 2 weeks later, that's okay. But if your partner has to travel and be gone for 4 or 5 months because there's a family emergency and you can't accompany your partner, that gap might be too significant for you to qualify for common law. And many make this fundamental mistake thinking, well, I was living with my partner for 5, 6 years, but currently I'm not, and I haven't been living, and I won't, and I can't live until the application is approved. Keep in mind, you have to continue the common law relationship until the decision is made. So living for 5, 6, 7 years is great. It shows the genuineness of your relationship, but you don't fit the definition if all of a sudden you're no longer living, you don't intend to live, and you've been apart for a long time. So that's a key component. With common law, there's many ways to prove that you guys are living together. So obviously a joint lease agreement or ownership of property, that's one. Many don't have this. They get a little bit frustrated saying, I'm not on my partner's lease, I don't have this document. There's other ways you can prove that you guys live together. And that's 2 documents going to the same address. So for example, your insurance plan is going to the same address as your partner. Yes, it would be nice if your partner is listed as your beneficiary on your insurance, but if it's not, and it's still going to the same address, that's considered joint. It demonstrates that you guys are at the same residential address. Just like the spousal sponsorship applications, you do have to go beyond that. You have to get friends and family to attest to your relationship. You should write a personal statement. You can demonstrate travel history, WhatsApp messages, Facebook, changing your status on Facebook would be another idea. Whatever you do, ensure that your notice of assessment when you file your taxes also reflect that. If you say single and you file your taxes, meanwhile you're telling immigration that you're common law, that could be cause for concerns for the officer. So all your documents, whether it's your social media accounts or filing your taxes, have to reflect what you believe your marital status is. If you don't do this, this could be a main reason an officer will reject your application. If you have any questions about common law and how you can ensure you submit a strong application, please give us a call today. Thank you, and until next time.